Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Git. If you're starting your journey in programming, web development, or software engineering, Git is one of the most important tools you need to know. Have you ever wondered how developers keep track of their code changes? Or how multiple developers work on the same project without overwriting each other's work? That's where Git comes in. So, without wasting any time, let's get started and understand Git from the basics. What is Git? Git is a version control system used to track changes in files and source code. In simple words, Git acts like a time machine for your project. It remembers every change you make, allowing you to go back to previous versions whenever needed. With Git, you can save different versions of your code, restore old versions, work with other developers, manage large projects efficiently. Today, almost every software company uses Git. Why do we need Git? Before Git, developers used to create multiple copies of their projects. For example, Project Final, Project Final Updated, Project Final Latest, Project Final Really Final. This quickly became confusing. Suppose you accidentally delete an important part of your code. Without Git, recovering that code can be very difficult. But with Git, every change is saved, so you can easily restore previous versions. Git also makes collaboration easier. Multiple developers can work on the same project and combine their changes without conflicts. History of Git. Git was created in 2005 by Linus Torvalds, who is also the creator of the Linux operating system. He designed Git to manage the development of the Linux kernel efficiently. Today, Git has become the industry standard for version control. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, and Meta use Git extensively. What is version control? Version control means managing and tracking changes over time. Imagine you are writing a program. Version 1, Hello World. Version 2, Hello World. Version 3, Hello World from Python. Git stores all these versions, allowing you to compare them and return to any previous state whenever necessary. How Git works. Git mainly consists of 3 areas. First is the working directory. This is where you write and modify your files. Second is the staging area. Here, you select which changes should be included in the next snapshot. Third is the repository. This is where Git permanently stores your project history. The flow looks like this: working directory, staging area, repository. Installing Git. To install Git, visit the official website, gitscm.com. Download the appropriate version for your operating system and complete the installation. After installation, open the terminal and type Git version. If Git is installed correctly, it will display the installed version. Important Git commands. Now let's look at some important Git commands. Git init. This command initializes a new Git repository. Git init, Git status. This command shows the current status of your project. Git status. It tells you which files have been modified and which files are ready to be committed. Git add. To add files to the staging area, use git add. This command stages all files. Git commit. To save changes permanently, use git commit m. First commit. A commit is like taking a snapshot of your project. Git log. To view the history of commits. Git log. This displays all previous commits. Git diff. To see the differences between changes. Git diff. Branches in Git. One of the most powerful features of Git is branching. A branch allows developers to work on new features without affecting the main code. To create a branch, Git branch feature. To switch to that branch, Git checkout feature. And to merge the branch, Git merge feature. Branching makes development safer and more organized. Git versus GitHub. Many beginners think Git and GitHub are the same, but they are different. Git is a version control system that runs on your computer. GitHub is an online platform that hosts Git repositories. GitHub helps developers store code online, collaborate with others, share projects, Contribute to open source software. Real life example. Suppose you're building a to-do application. On day 1, you create the homepage and commit your changes. On day 2, you add CSS styling and create another commit. On day 3, you add JavaScript functionality and commit again. If something goes wrong on day 3, Git allows you to return to the stable version from day 2. That's why Git is often called a time machine for developers. Conclusion. So, that's all about Git. Git is an essential tool for every developer because it helps track changes, manage project history, and collaborate with teams efficiently. If you're serious about becoming a software developer, learning Git is a must. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss future programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.